Hi everyone, this is Taylor with Valleyscape in Murrieta, California. I'm coming at you today with an important video. Something new has happened in the state of California. They have decided to no longer sell their traditional sprinkler head that is not pressure regulated. So what does this actually mean? Well, if you as a homeowner have a sprinkler head that breaks, you will no longer be able to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, whatever, and buy a traditional sprinkler head. California has seen that a lot of water savings can happen from installing pressure regulated sprinkler heads. This is something we've done for a long time. There is actually some savings there. So what is important about this is that the new sprinkler heads are going to be more expensive, so be prepared for that. They're going to be run at the manufacturer's suggested PSI, which in most cases is 40 or 50 PSI. So they'll have a little pressure regulator actually inside the sprinkler head, and it will restrict the flow. Also, it will be a better built sprinkler head, so it'll be higher quality, it should last longer, and it'll have a check valve in the bottom. All of these things help you to save water and money. So I'm going to continue to put out some videos because there's a lot of details to this that you need to be aware of if you live in the state of California. And so I'm going to answer 5 distinct questions, and also I will be writing a blog that will correspond to these videos. You can check out on our website that will have it all written out. So the next video I do will answer the question, how much water can you save with these new sprinkler heads? We actually know that answer. We've done tests with our local water agency, the Rancho California Water District in Temecula, and so we actually have information for you on how much water you can save. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.